What if your morning commute started not in a driveway, but in your own private automotive museum, surrounded by $20 million worth of the world's rarest supercars? Welcome to a world where garages are no longer just places to park. They are the soul of the home itself. Today, we are stepping inside luxury estates where private car collections have inspired architects to create something truly extraordinary. These are not garages. These are cathedrals of chrome and carbon fiber, and the homes built around them will take your breath away. Let us begin our journey on the sun-kissed cliffs of Malibu, California, where a 12,000 square foot contemporary masterpiece clings to the Pacific coastline. From the street, you see sleek lines of glass and concrete, modern minimalism at its finest. But descend into the heart of this property, and you discover its true purpose. Carved directly into the hillside sits a climate-controlled automotive gallery spanning 4,000 square feet. The temperature never wavers from a perfect 68 degrees. Humidity is maintained at precisely 45%. 12 rare automobiles rest on individual illuminated platforms, including a 1962 Ferrari 250 GTO valued at over $70 million. The car alone is worth more than most skyscrapers. Floor-to-ceiling glass walls allow the homeowner to admire this collection from the living room, the dining room, even the master bedroom. Italian marble floors reflect the curves of each vehicle like mirrors. Custom LED lighting shifts throughout the day, mimicking natural sunlight to showcase every detail of these mechanical works of art. And at the touch of a button, a hydraulic platform rises through the floor, delivering any chosen vehicle directly to the motor court above. This is not simply storage. This is theater. Now let us travel across the Atlantic to the Swiss Alps, where a billionaire tech entrepreneur has constructed something the automotive world has never seen before. Nestled into a mountainside overlooking Lake Geneva, this $35 million estate features what can only be described as a vertical car gallery. Imagine a 7-story glass tower rising through the center of the home, and within it, a robotic parking system that stores and retrieves vehicles like precious artifacts. 25 automobiles occupy this crystalline column, each one visible from virtually every room in the residence. The owner simply uses a smartphone app to summon any car, and within 90 seconds, it descends to ground level, rotating slowly on a turntable for maximum dramatic effect. The collection inside reads like a who's who of automotive royalty. A Bugatti Chiron Super Sport in exposed carbon fiber. A Pagani Huayra BC finished in a custom shade of deep violet. 3 generations of Porsche 911 Turbo, each representing a different era of German engineering excellence. And anchoring the collection, a pristine Mercedes-Benz 300 SL Gullwing that once belonged to European nobility. The residence itself wraps around this mechanical heart with warm walnut paneling, hand-selected Italian leather furnishings, and panoramic Alpine views that compete with the automotive spectacle for your attention. A private spa, a wine cellar housing 3,000 bottles, and a helipad complete the picture. But make no mistake. Every design decision, every sightline, every carefully considered angle ultimately draws your eye back to that magnificent tower of automobiles. Our next destination takes us to the desert landscapes of Scottsdale, Arizona, where contemporary southwestern architecture meets automotive obsession in spectacular fashion. This 22,000 square foot residence stretches across 8 acres of pristine Sonoran desert, its low-slung profile blending seamlessly with the rugged terrain. But beneath the surface lies a secret world. An 8,000 square foot underground garage complex houses 32 vehicles across 3 distinct wings. The first wing showcases American muscle, a complete collection of first-generation Chevrolet Camaros in every available color from 1967 through 1969. The second wing celebrates Italian exotics, with Lamborghinis spanning 5 decades of outrageous design. And the third wing serves as a fully equipped professional restoration facility, complete with a paint booth, machining equipment, and a hydraulic lift. What makes this property truly remarkable is its integration of indoor and outdoor living with the automotive collection. Glass walls retract completely, allowing the Arizona evening breeze to flow through the main gallery during the cooler months. A full bar and lounge area occupies one corner, perfect for hosting fellow enthusiasts. And an outdoor terrace featuring a negative edge pool looks directly down into the garage through a massive skylight, creating surreal views of Lamborghini rooflines reflected in turquoise water. The homeowner, a retired entrepreneur, reportedly spends more time in his subterranean paradise than in the main residence above. Can you really blame him? Speaking of integrating cars into daily life, let us visit a property in Monaco that has redefined the concept entirely. In a principality where land is more precious than gold, this 8,000 square foot penthouse occupies the top 3 floors of an exclusive residential tower overlooking the legendary Monte Carlo harbor. The owner, a passionate collector of vintage Formula One cars, faced an impossible challenge. How do you display a world-class racing collection when you live hundreds of feet above the street? The solution was nothing short of genius. A private car elevator, one of only a handful in the world, carries vehicles from street level directly into a glass-enclosed gallery that occupies an entire floor of the penthouse. For historic racing machines now reside in what might be the most exclusive showroom on Earth, with the Mediterranean Sea and countless superyachts providing a backdrop that simply cannot be replicated. The residence itself features interiors by a renowned Parisian design house, with materials and colors that complement the racing liveries of the displayed vehicles. Warm cognac leather echoes the patina of vintage steering wheels. Deep racing green accents pay homage to British motorsport heritage. And throughout the space, subtle automotive touches appear: a coffee table crafted from a vintage engine block, wall art featuring original design sketches from legendary automotive designers, door handles inspired by gearshift patterns. Our final destination brings us to the English countryside, where a Georgian manor house has been transformed to accommodate one of Europe's most significant private Aston Martin collections. The estate spans 120 acres of manicured gardens, ancient woodlands, and rolling hills that have belonged to the same family for over 3 centuries. Behind the historic main house, a newly constructed gallery pavilion houses 18 Aston Martins spanning the company's entire history. The building itself is a masterwork of modern architecture designed to complement rather than compete with its historic neighbor. Honey-colored limestone echoes the manor's original construction. A copper roof has been allowed to develop a natural patina that blends with the surrounding landscape. And inside, 12-foot ceilings and museum-quality lighting create an atmosphere of reverent appreciation. The collection begins with a 1923 Aston Martin Cloverleaf and continues through every significant model the company has produced, culminating in a one-of-one Aston Martin Valkyrie finished in a bespoke shade of British racing green. The total value of vehicles housed within this pastoral setting exceeds $100 million, yet the atmosphere remains warm and inviting rather than sterile and intimidating. A gentleman's lounge occupies one end of the gallery, featuring deep leather Chesterfield sofas, a working fireplace, and a bar stocked with single malt whiskies.